Welcome to this quick little Blender FYI tutorial, and you can see here in front of me I have a whole bunch of really cool items that you might think I've imported into Blender, but actually this is what comes with Blender. You might have gone Shift A at some point and added in one of these primitives, but Blender actually comes with a whole bunch of other stuff built in. You don't have to import anything from the internet, it's just already in the package. I'm going to quickly show you how to enable that in the add-ons. All of these items you see here are just a few of quite a lot of extras that come with Blender, and not only can you add them in, you can completely customize them, change the settings. So getting the extra objects is very simple. You're just going to go into Blender and then go up to Edit. You're going to go to your preferences here and then click on the add-on section. You can come up here to the search bar and type in extra. You're going to see two options here, add curve extra objects and add mesh. Make sure you click on the add mesh extra objects. I've already done that. Once you're done, you can just close this window. And now if you were to press Shift A and you went to your mesh options, you're going to see a lot more options down here on top of the usual primitives that you see when you click Shift A and you go to your mesh preferences. To demonstrate this, I'm just going to delete the cube so you can see what I'm adding in here. So let me just show you a few of the really cool things, just as a quick review. So you can go Shift A, go to mesh options, and one that I think is really cool is this one here, the diamond and gem one. This one I didn't even know about in the past, and I was actually making my own diamonds at one point. But you can just click on any one of these options, and then not only can you add it in, you can come here to this little customization box down here, open it up, and not only do you have, well, you could load in presets, but these sliders here are really handy. So you can come here, you can mess around with the segments, the radius, the table height of the gem, the pavilion height, and just having these settings to be able to really quickly make a gem that you like can be super handy. Then you can add your own materials and stuff. Let's just quickly get rid of that. Another really cool one is Shift A. Let's just go down and let's go to extras. And let's go to this one here called Beam Builder. So you can also build beams. So for you people who are into architectural stuff, having the ability to work with this sort of stuff here is really cool. You can even have, like, for example, different profiles here, just to get you started out of the box. You can mess around with the thickness, depth, you can use any of these presets you want. Really handy for architectural type stuff. And on top of that, just quickly going down to extras again, the wall factory is also just amazing. Like literally you get a wall just built like this that you can start with. You can also come here, you can adjust the width of it, you can do the variance, and it'll automatically update this for you. While you have this open here, it's non-destructive. You can edit these settings till you get something that you like. And then you could build on top of that. So a lot of these settings here are very self-explanatory. You can just mess around with them and see what happens. If you have found this useful, definitely give it a like, but also just experiment with it. Check this out. There's a lot of ones here, like the gears as well. Just really cool stuff. Yeah, just stuff to make your Blender process a lot easier, to get you started a little bit quicker. I hope you guys are able to use this feature in Blender and have fun.